Hello and welcome again in my 8th activity in midterm. So, in this video, we are going to create numbers input box. So, first, let's create input, right? Numbers. I mean, we need to close tag. And then after that, we save as our work and then here, this is our, so we are go back again and we put, for example, our minimum here, our minimum is 0. And then our maximum is for example, our minimum is 0, and then our maximum is 50 or 100. 50. Okay, 50. And then close that tag. And we save as our work. And there you can see this is for example 1 here, 1 2 3 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and then 50 here. So that's it for today's video, and bye.